Well, welcome to Cad-Cafe and good day, everyone. Well, on this tutorial, I'll be taking you through the ellipse sketch tool. Okay, so um, today let's just try to change our dimension to mmgs for today, and then let's just go ahead to sketch on the front plane. The front plane. Okay, so on the drop down of the ellipse, so the first one you see is ellipses, the ellipse, and the second one is partial ellipse, and the third one is parabola, and we have the conic. So we're just gonna show you how I'm just gonna show you how to do all this and to use all the tools on this. So okay, so firstly, let's just use the ellipse. So the first thing you do is you pick a point, you drag it to whatever radius you want, and then the shape of the ellipse will be formed. Okay, so you can actually adjust the shape. Okay, notice that as you're adjusting the small radius is actually increasing and decreasing. Okay, let's just go over that again. Okay, so you pick a point, pick some sort of radius. Okay, and then you adjust the ellipse to whatever feature of whatever physique you want from it. Okay, so that's it. So you could click on any point, right? So you could see that the first radius was for the actual radius of the ellipse itself from the center point of the ellipse. Okay, while the other one is for adjusting it to whatever degree or whatever size you want. Okay, or shape. Sounds more better. Right, so that is it. So, and of course you can use your mouse to roll this to whatever degree you want. Okay, so that's the beauty of the mouse. Right. Okay, so that is that for that. And then the second one is the partial ellipse. And this one you have to create the path. So what you do is that you pick a point, and then you place the radius, and then you create the path. So if you try to join the ellipse, you try to join the one end of the line to the other one, it won't actually join. Look at that. It's not. So instead it's starting all over afresh. Okay, so meaning that the ellipse must be partial. Okay, and no matter how close it is, but so far as the lines are not joined together. Okay, so that is that. And then you notice that a path was created. Pick the point, set a radius. That's the shape. I actually created a path with this shape. So what I'm doing right now, I'm trying to create a path for the ellipse. Okay, so if I keep it like this, okay, definitely I'll be following that particular path. You'll be seeing that. Okay, so that's that. So you have to create a path for it. And then the third one is the parabola. Right. The same thing you did for the partial ellipse, you have to create the path. So pick a point, and then you check your radius or distance, the case may be, from the center to the point of which one side you're drawing. And then a path is already created, so you just come here and start drawing the parabola. So I'll do that again. Sorry. First of all, pick a point, the distance from the point to where you want your parabola to be. Okay. So the larger the distance, the larger the parabola. So the smaller the distance, smaller the parabola. Okay, so let's just make it large. See that? Then you come over to a point here or anywhere here, okay, and then start drawing your parabola on that path you already created. All right, so we could just do a quick example for with that. Okay, let's just assume this is our line, horizontal line. Okay, and then we want to draw a parabola to, to meet with this other line from one end to the other end. So we simply just do this. Let's just pick here. Let's just pick here, for instance. Let's just do that. Okay, that's beautiful. We go backward. No, we do this. Okay, and then we come over here to draw a parabola from this point, then to this point. And then when we're done with that, we go over here to extend a line to meet up with this. So that is that. So you can see that, and if you want to add some beauty to it, you can actually add a feature and then drag it out. Voila. So that is that. So let's just go back to what we're doing. And then for your undo, to go back to what you were doing previously, you can actually use your normal or usual Control Z as your undo shortcut. And then for the last one, being the conic parabola, conic ellipse, you actually pick a point, and then you pick another point. Once you pick another point, the shape of the conic parabola, conic ellipse will be formed, and then you try to shift it to whatever degree to achieve your desired shape. Okay, so you can see that if you keep it here, you can see that. So let me try that again. And then, all right, so that is all you're supposed to know, or what I think you should know about ellipse, parabola, conic, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that is it. So, and if you have any issue, and like I said in a previous tutorial, most of these tools will be used in our drawings much later. Okay, so if you have any problem, you can just play around with the tools, play around with it, and then if you have any issue, don't forget to drop in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you, and do have a nice day.